What's up, YouTube? We're going to show you guys how to remove these. I'm working on my 2014 Silverado. This should work on any third generation Silverado. Let's get started. Step 1, get a 15 Torx bit and remove these two bolts. Once you've released these two bolts, you can see right here is loose. You're going to want to grab around here in the top, just be careful of your paint. You are going to have to pull pretty firmly to release the two clips that are located on the side of the fender. It's really easy. Now there's two clips right here that mount in these two holes right here, and you are going to have to pull pretty hard to get these to release. They have tabs that are holding them in place. Once you have this out, simply twist these counterclockwise to remove. And that's how you remove your taillight. And if you swap those bulbs, that's how you change your taillight.